Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a crochet durag. So what you're going to need, I'm going to be using 6.5 K hook and some yarn. This is the I Love This Yarn brand. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, now first you're going to start with a slip knot, and this is how I do mine. If you need help doing a slip knot, I can do a video on that, just let me know. This is how I do mine. Wrap yarn around my fingers and I grab it. Well, I grab it with these two fingers. Then you take yarn up under both of them, but you go back up under the first one and you pull it. So yeah, after your slip knot, you want to chain 80. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 77, 78, 79, 80. So after you have your 80 chain, you want to do half double crochet down your whole chain. Half double crochet, yarn over, pull through all three. That's what you're going to do. All the way down your 80 chain. Okay, after we have did our half double crochet all the way down, now you're going to chain 4, and we're going to start the mesh stitch. Start the mesh stitch. We're going to skip the first chain, go into, wait, let me see. Okay, yeah, we're going to skip the first stitch and go into the second stitch. So you want to wrap around, go into the second stitch. You want to do a double crochet. Then you're going to chain 1. You're going to do that all the way down, skipping the stitch. You want to skip this stitch, go into this stitch, double crochet. You want to make sure after you do your double crochet, you chain 1. You're going to do that all the way down. After you finish your first row, you're going to chain 4 and repeat the same step. Now you're going to go into this part. Chain 1, chain 1, 1. You're going to do this for 10 rows. So after you get your 10 rows, meet me back here so I can show you the next step and the last step, kinda, of making your durag. So yeah, meet me back here when y'all get 10 rows of the mesh stitch, not counting the triple crochet row, just the mesh stitch. 10 rows of mesh stitch. Meet me back here. Okay, I'm back with my 10 rows. So now we're going to start the next row, which is the last row. So you're gonna chain 4. And you're gonna start the mesh stitch. But this time, we're only going to complete up to 16 stitches. So yeah, continue doing the mesh stitch until you have completed 16 stitches. Okay, once you've completed 16 stitches, your panel should look like this. And after you do the 16 stitches, you are going to chain 80. Okay, so you should have a chain of 80 now. And now we're going to do the mesh stitch going back up the chain. So what I do, I hold that first chain 4, go into that chain that I'm holding, start my mesh stitch. This goes into the turn to one of the strings on your top durag. And you have to go in all the way down, and I'll meet you back when I complete this. So this is what you should have after you completed the 80 chain of the mesh stitch. And this is how it should look right here. So I'm going to show you how to connect this so it'll be facing this way. So what you want to do, you want to take it, you want to turn it. I know people have their own way of connecting this, but I'm just going to show you how I do it. And it's basically the easiest way, and it would look seamless. So you're going to take it, and you're going to find a place that it's even, and just go stick your hook through part of the stitch. When I can get my hook through it, there we go. And you're just going to take the yarn, wrap it around, and do a slip stitch. And you're going to chain twice. Cut your yarn. Tie it off. That's how you make it seamless. Yeah, this is how it should look. Give y'all a better look. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is how it should look. Now what you're going to do is repeat the same step all over again. Chain 80. Start off with half double crochet. Do your mesh stitch. Don't forget to chain 1. And don't forget to skip a stitch. 10 rows. the 11th row, you want to going to crochet 16. Going to stop at 16, chain 80, continue your mesh stitch and attach it. And I will be back to show y'all how I put the whole durag together. So stay tuned. Okay, so these are the 2 panels that I have. And next I'm going to show you how to put them together. Make sure they are equal. Make sure they're the same size, same length. First you're going to attach your yarn to your work with your hook, and I just go through and put the hoop on, then do a slip knot and chain 1. And the way I attach it is doing single crochet. You can use a yarn needle and yarn if you want to, but I like to just use a single crochet to put my work together. So that's what I'm doing here. As you can see, and here I am clipping off one of the ends. The girl is almost done. I just got to secure the top and clip off that end. And yeah, the girl has completed the crochet durag. And now you just want to turn it inside out and straighten it all out. And yeah, you have made your first crochet durag with J.Lashae Creations. I hope this tutorial was easy. If you have any problems, just leave comments down below. If y'all want to see other videos, leave those comments down below too, and I'll be sure to get with them. But yeah, y'all, this is the finished product of this crochet durag. It is so cute in this pink color. I'm gonna have more for sale soon. But yeah, thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all click that post notification bell so y'all know when I post. Make sure you like, comment, and share. Tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed my video. I enjoyed making it and showing y'all how to do this for the culture crochet durag. And I will see y'all in my next video. Make sure y'all stay safe out here in these streets. Peace.